So I heard about Saturn's return the other day. That planet that takes about 30 years to turn around the sun's axis. So from the date that I was born, it's probably just returned. That unknown force, and I felt its weight, a shift. But could it be more? Could it be this? See, the old me don't fit in these shoes anymore, so I'm trying to walk down a different path. Dorothy has wandered the yellow brick for far too long, and now each choice feels like a risk. Each new path feels like a slip, letting go of the only rope I know and trying to climb a mountain in the dark. Things are hard in your 30s when Saturn returns. Freedom calls, but freedom's far from feeling free. Security jumps, stay. Saturn's return. So if you feel like me, hoping gravity will let you go, Saturn's return will definitely let you know who, what, where. See, I'm ready, not because I know, but because I don't. And Saturn, I'll see you in another 30. Hopefully then you won't do me too dirty. You see, you literally pour your heart into it. Every single idea, every late night, every ounce of courage, just to see your videos tank in views. The numbers don't show the effort, especially at the start, the risks, the hours, the dedication. And yet here I am, literally watching my own video that I've just posted, wondering why it didn't hit, why it didn't go viral. But I have to sit back and realise I'm not just in it for the views. I'm in it for the journey of putting myself out there, sharing my story, taking risks. And it's even more than that. In my last video, I literally talked about how this journey feels like playing a game, and I'm wanting to hit that endorphin hit every time I post. Each video, I said a level to beat, each milestone an achievement, but today feels a bit different. And that's why I'm creating this sort of video today. It feels like I'm losing the game. It feels like that final boss is there, and no matter how many times I try, I just can't seem to get past the level. I literally poured my heart into my last video. I spent ages on the thumbnail trying to get everything right, trying to get the title, the description right, but somehow tanked in views, tanked in the click-through rate. It started really high, but then literally tanked, and nobody's clicking that video. And it feels like I'm doing everything I can, but the results aren't matching the effort. And when I'm trying to build something from the ground up, that setback feels personal, and I know I get it. It's tough and it's discouraging. But here's the thing I want to share with you, and share that I've been through before in other ventures that I've been through. And I know every single creator faces this. It isn't the level that ends the game. It's just a tough stage. And if I stick with it, I know for a fact I'll figure it out, find the strategy that works, and I'll level up. And when I think about it, literally every creator faces this moment. No matter how many subscribers, view counts you get, the struggle of feeling like the effort outweighs the rewards. But I just want to say that it isn't the end. It's just part of the journey. And I even have to remind myself that even though my last video didn't perform the way I hoped, it's still progress. It's another video calculating my algorithm, trying to teach the algorithm exactly what my audience wants and what they deserve. So whether it hits or misses, it teaches me something new. I can look at my data, see and help and refine my style and connect with my audience a little better. And that's where I want to come on to building my business online and telling you it isn't easy, but it's doable. It's absolutely doable. It's about seeing each new challenge as a stepping stone. No one gets it perfect every time. As long as I can do 1% better every single day, it's okay to have those videos that don't perform that well, or don't perform as well as you expect. What matters is literally showing up each day, even though you've had a down day, learning and improving each day, trying to better yourself each day. And then every small step, every piece of content that you put out, it will move you closer to where you want to be. See, at the end of the day, building a business online for me is more than just the revenue. It's more than just the AdSense. It's more than just monetization. It's literally about creating a community and sharing knowledge with each other. Eventually, I want to build a community Discords that we all share one of tens and hooks and everything along that way. And part of that, for me, is literally passing the tools and resources that have helped me get here, showing you exactly my process and how I do it, and being really transparent and showing the down days as well as the ups, because for too long Instagram, TikTok and YouTube have been telling us that there's this easy gateway to riches, and it's just not true. It's just not true. So that's why I'm helping you with the content that I create, and I'm also helping you with the tools and the resources that I use. So in the description below, if you want to, you don't have to, I've linked some of my go-to gear below, from cameras to lighting to the editing software that I use. And these are tools that help me show up every day and create content that I'm literally proud of, and I'm excited to share them with you. And yes, I do get a little bounce back from the affiliate links, but that is me building my business. You're not only getting the equipment that I use, but you're getting the equipment that I trust. So if you do want to help me and you do want to support me, just click that affiliate link, and whatever you purchase, I think it's in the next 48 to 72 hours, I'll get a little bit of a kickback from that, and that will help me keep sharing what I can with you. I'm also wanting to develop, I've got a name for it now, the Heych Method, which is going to be a go-to resource for content creators and creatives in general, to learn how to create, to learn editing steps, but also to learn the productivity methods and getting that desire to create and create consistently. So if you're thinking of taking risks and setbacks, I know it's not easy, and that is just the reality of it, but each challenge that we face, each video, the small victories, hold on to them. They're a step forward. And if you're feeling the weight of the struggle, know that you're not alone. I'm there too, and it's part of building something that lasts. So just before I go, if you are wanting to see the Amazon gear in a bit more detail, you can click this video here and it will show you exactly the gear I use, the setups that I'm using right now, the things I have right beside me, and you can get them too. Thanks for watching. Peace.